Okay, I'm looking at Python programming language. I'm about to learn this. So where can I learn this? Where can I use this and practice this without downloading the Python integration? Well, my first place I looked is W3 Schools, and they've got Python on it. They've got Python here, home. So you can do some editing on this. Taking its time here. And this is the first page. Try it yourself. Hello world. So this is a place to start, I guess. Understanding it and using it, because it's not a browser language. It actually runs on the computer. So before I do that, or if you want to do the same thing, where could you learn it? So first things first, go online and although it's not in the browser, so this will be some Python editor they've got on W3 Schools. Another place I found is this. It's called REPL.it. Is that Italian? Not certain. I logged in with my Google account and here I am. This is also online. I done it yesterday. It says here recent understand lumbering objects. So let's have a look. See all REPLs maybe. No. Python. Create maybe. Had it yesterday. I got on. Here we are. Not sure what to do. Run some examples. Start typing. Suppose you could do that. Let me try this. Python. Where was that? I copy that. Paste in here. Can't just copy and paste. On right click it has its own commands. Well, I'll go to examples then. Here they are. So here's an input. Name equals input. So you can start learning Python on these online editors. So what would this be? Mainline run. Maybe run is the... Okay, yeah, there it is. Name equals input. What's your name? So this is where... These are two things. This is REPL. R-E-P-L. There it is here. .it. Maybe Italy. And the other one... The... W3 Schools. It's always pretty good. I think this one might have more on it. REPL, REPL. So we've got version control, packages, debugger, settings, a layout. You can change the layout, theme, font size. That's pretty good. And what's this? Database. So those are two things you can explore before integrating onto your computer.